are going to prepare spiced potato fry. Let's get the ingredients ready. 3 potatoes sliced to round. 2 onions chopped. A handful of curry leaves. Garlic 10 to 12 pieces. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 2 teaspoon. Chilli flakes 2 tablespoon. And salt as required. Let's get into the preparation. First, roast the sliced potato in the pan with oil and take the potatoes separately. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, add the smashed garlic to the pan with oil and saute it well. Now add the chopped onions and add curry leaves for flavor. Then add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and add salt to taste. Now add the roasted sliced potatoes to it and saute it well. Finally add chilli flakes to the potatoes and garnish it with